Today's tutorial is going to be, I'm going to show you how to make a translucent Nautilus cane. You're going to need translucent premo and white premo. I already conditioned both clays. The translucent was conditioned on my thickest setting on my pasta machine, and the white premo was conditioned on the third thickest setting on the pasta machine. You're going to need a roller and your blade. So now what I'm going to do is fold the translucent in half, so because I want to make this double the thickness, and then just squeeze it so it becomes one. Just squeeze it to give it a shape, like a long shape. What I'm going to do is, one side is going to be thicker than the other one. And I'm going to do that with my roller. I'm going to roll this. I'm not going to roll too hard. So when I'm close to the end, I'm just going to press really hard. Okay. Really hard to make this side thinner. I'm going to do this several times. This is thicker than this one. I'm going to just trim it a little bit. And cut the sides. And just cut the end again. That's pretty thin, if you can see it. Now I'm going to bring over my white clay, and I'm going to place the translucent on top of the white clay. I'm gonna roll this, bring it down one more setting, so make it a little bit thinner. Just place it right here. Just gonna cut this straight. Now I just place it on the top. And then cut. Cut this. Trim the edges. And just cut it here. Oops. Alright, I'm going to pick this up, and you can see that this side is thicker and then it's going down to a thinner. Sometimes I like to just going to make it thinner a little bit more, so it makes it easier when you're trying to roll it. I'm gonna roll it. So I try to make it. I think that's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to roll this like a jelly roll, but this is not a jelly roll. I want it to be even, that's why I'm trying to cut it. So this is not really wide, and this one is, so I'm trying to make it the same. So it's not as, it's like the end is not as wide as this one, and it just looks weird. That's why I'm trimming the sides. So now I'm going to roll this like a jelly rolled. And you want to do this part really slow because you do not want any bubbles in your cane. So you don't have to rush by doing this. Just roll it. Roll it very slow. And just push the ends, the sides, roll it. And keep rolling it. Getting stuff on my hands. Roll it to the end. So there you got it. So now you can wait a couple hours and wait to reduce this, because sometimes if you try to reduce it right away, it tends to distort the cane. I find that if it rests for a couple hours, it's really easy to reduce and you avoid a lot of distortion. But I'm gonna go ahead and reduce it. So you're gonna grab it and pinch it and rotate. And then rotate. And just rotate and pinch up and down. You're gonna make sure you do this because you don't want bubbles in there. You don't want to trap any bubbles. So then pinch, and then rotate. And then once in a while you want to roll it on the tile. And then do it again. Then let's see, we're gonna cut it. There you have it. This is your translucent Nautilus cane. This is the cane that I use in one of my tutorials. This is a watercolor mica shift tutorial that I made. I use it in the middle of both veneers. But I'm going to be using this one for an upcoming project. You can also, if you want, you can reduce it on different sizes. Sometimes I just I reduce it in different sizes, like smaller, and then like a medium. That way I have different sizes. And you keep rolling it on the tile, and just you have like a small size, and this will be a big one. And you can cut another one and just make a couple different sizes for different projects. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like my videos, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.